Namaste. स्वागत है आपका. Diwali is just around the corner. And you know me, I love a good celebration. आज हम बात करेंगे कैसे हम इस दिवाली को और भी खास और eco-friendly बना सकते हैं. We all know Diwali is all about lights, sweets, and good times with family and friends. But sometimes, we forget about the impact our celebrations have on the environment. Don't worry guys, I got you. This Diwali, let's add a little twist and make it an eco-friendly one. और सभी को Happy Dhanteras, Choti Diwali और Badi Diwali. Let's start with Diwali decorations, or as we say, Sajavat. This year, let's ditch the plastic and go for eco-friendly options. Rangoli बनाएं eco-friendly रंग से, जैसे rice powder, flower petals या हल्दी. ये न सिर्फ सुंदर लगते हैं, पर nature friendly भी हैं. Next up, ditch those plastic streamers and fairy lights. Plastic की जगह DIY decorations करें, जैसे paper lanterns, पुरानी fabrics और मिट्टी के दिए. Electric lights की जगह try करें traditional oil दिए. ये power save करते हैं और दिवाली के असली essence को भी लाते हैं. Okay guys, this one's important. पटाखे न फोड़ें क्योंकि ये हवा और आवाज दोनों का pollution बढ़ाते हैं. I know, bursting crackers is a big part of Diwali for many. But think about it. All that smoke and noise, not cool for our lungs or our furry friends. Plus, imagine how much cleaner our air would be if we all decided to skip the crackers this year. But hey, who said Diwali without crackers can't be fun? इस बार कुछ नए ideas try करें, जैसे soundless crackers या laser light show अपने दोस्तों के साथ. Clean air means they can enjoy the festivities without any worries. It's all about celebrating responsibly and spreading joy, not pollution. Diwali is the time for exchanging gifts and spreading happiness. But who says those gifts can't be good for the planet too? Is Diwali, try curry plants, organic products, या local handmade gifts देना जो छोटे business owners को support करते हैं. Imagine gifting your loved ones a beautiful plant that will brighten up their homes and remind them of your love for years to come. Or how about some delicious locally made sweets and snacks? And while we're at it, let's talk gift wrapping. Gift wrapping के लिए single-use plastic को छोड़ें और cloth bags या reusable materials का use करें. The best part about eco-friendly gifting? It's all about thoughtfulness and supporting local businesses and artisans. It's a win-win for everyone. Feasting responsibly. Mindful Diwali meals. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite part of Diwali. The food. Home-cooked मिठाइयाँ और खाने बनाएं, जो seasonal ingredients के साथ हो. ये fresh और tasty भी होती है. This year, let's ditch the store-bought sweets and try making some at home. Not only will they taste amazing, but you'll also know exactly what's going into them. Plus, cooking together as a family is a great way to bond and create some unforgettable Diwali memories. Food waste avoid करें by planning ahead, और अगर extra food बचे तो अपने neighbors या community के साथ share करें. Remember, sharing is caring. Spreading the green cheer. Community initiatives for a greener Diwali. Diwali is about spreading joy and light, and what better way to do that than by giving back to our community and our planet? कोशिश करें कि आप अपने आस-पास सफाई करें और eco-friendly causes में donate करें. Imagine cleaning up our neighborhoods and making them sparkle brighter than the Diwali lights. It's a small gesture that can bring about a big change. Let's make this Diwali about coming together as a community and spreading the message of a greener, cleaner, and happier Diwali. So guys, this Diwali, let's make a promise to ourselves and our planet to celebrate responsibly. छोटे-छोटे changes भी बड़े फर्क ला सकते हैं और एक cleaner, healthier world बना सकते हैं. It's all about taking those small steps, ditching the plastic, choosing sustainable options and spreading awareness. From the bottom of my heart, सभी को एक सुखद और safe Diwali की शुभकामनाएं. Happy Diwali to you and your loved ones.